My name is Nontutuzelo Primrose Twaba. I live in Khayelitsha. I've been a domestic worker for about 15 years, almost 15 years. I started working as a domestic worker since 1999. I'm working CHAS. So I work for 5 different people, so I get like different salaries, but when I add it up, it's about like plus minus 4,000. It depends. Cosmetics 200 rands, transport about 600, food 1,500, crash 120, electricity about 180, and I also send money for my son, like 1,000 rands a month. And my son's education, I don't pay monthly, but I pay like 10,000 a year. I was married to my husband and I got 3 children from him. I also passed my matric in 1991 because I had 2 children at my early age, so I couldn't further my studies. And then I got married to their father, but things didn't work out, so I had to come to Cape Town for work so that I can support my children. So I had 3 children. I've been a breadwinner for 3 children, so I had to sacrifice my life for them. I've been a domestic worker because I had to do it for my children, but I wouldn't want them to, because it's a difficult job. We have to be patient. I'm a domestic worker because I want better life for my children, so I can't say they can do it, but it's a job you get. It's better than nothing, so at least you have to earn something to support your children, then you can do it. But I wouldn't want my children to be the domestic workers. To be a social worker because I like to help people. So if I could get that chance, I would do it even now, because I like to see other people happy. So that's my dream job. That is the story of my life.